Greetings everybody and welcome back to another video. In this one I will be teaching how to use Sora AI on an iPhone. So whether you are using an iPad, iPhone or any iOS device, what you need to do is simply head over to your Safari browser or any browser. You can go on Chrome as well. Simply search for openai.com just like I did on my PC. Works the same, browsers are the same on every device. And then you will have this set of options where you have ChatGPT, AI platforms, many others, and you need to simply dive onto Sora. Make sure that you have an active subscription to the platform because this is a paid tool that you can use to generate videos for free. You cannot operate on this site, so subscription is a must. So once you get your subscription done, you will be able to use your Sora AI on your iPhone or any iOS device. So it's not difficult, pretty easy. Just give it a try and you will have it. So you can see Sora right in front of me. So thanks so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and see you guys in the next video.